I want to show you how you can optimize your workflow with Jetpack and Toolbar Extras with my flagship plugin to get more productive in your Jetpack-powered website. Hi, my name is David Decker from deckerweb. I am the developer of Toolbar Extras, an awesome plugin for WordPress to optimize your workflow to save time and to get more productive. So now let's jump right into it. This is a online test install. It actually has to be online, not local, because Jetpack requires an online public install to be connected. This is a default install with Jetpack. I did no setting for Jetpack, just connect, install it, activate it, and connect it, nothing else. The only thing I did, I dismissed a few notifications from Jetpack, which got on my nerves already. So this is Jetpack here, and the thing with Jetpack is its dashboard and its setting are a total mess. It's total confusing with all these things here, all these banners and notification and all this stuff. I just want to set modules. Where can I set these things? Okay, they've got a few settings here maybe. What's that? Performance, writing. Okay, this seem to be categories, not actual settings. This looks like actual settings. Okay, that might be it. Yes, I guess this might be it. So, but this is a whole mess. I cannot work with this. This is just ridiculous. And what I did with Toolbar Extras, I re-enabled the hidden all modules settings page. This is still in Jetpack. It is still packaged and shipped with Jetpack, but it is so hidden like a secret. You have to dig deep, very deep, which I did, and I found it, and I integrated it here as a submenu. So you can always access it and use it. And this is what we want. We just want a simple overview of this whole thing so we can use it. We can enable, disable, and when we click on it, we come to the support page of Jetpack with a few descriptions and a few info about these modules. Okay, we get it. We can even search, so let's get stats. So we get the site stats module, all okay. That's what we want. This would totally be it. I really don't understand why they give us this whole mess here, which is unusable. For me as a developer and a site builder for 20 years, this is unusable. So for new users, this is just ridiculous. So let's get back to this one. And so because it's Toolbar Extras, you can access it from here. I've integrated the whole Jetpack thing. So if you still need Jetpack, if you still want Jetpack, if you like Jetpack, if your client has Jetpack and wants it and you maintain his or her site with Jetpack installed, then you just need Toolbar Extras and you get this. You get this. All the quick jump settings links, resources if you want, you can disable it in Toolbar Extras. You have the modules, the full modules list. You have also the categories from their Jetpack modern settings, whatever it is. You can go to your WordPress.com settings. This is Jetpack just connects your website to WordPress.com. And you also get to the Debugging Center. This is also a default in Jetpack that comes with the Jetpack plugin, but it's also very hidden. Dig deep. Maybe you need this, so I just linked it here as submenu as well. And the good thing is you get all this toolbar goodness also from the front end. Yes, you are here on the front end and still have this Jetpack thing here. And let's do some other things here. So let's go to all the modules here. We've got the custom content types. We do activate these. These are some post types that are shipped with Jetpack. So, but these post types actually have to be enabled in this modern settings. But the whole module you can enable with all modules page, and then you come from all modules page to this screen, and you can enable the testimonials and the portfolios. So here you have portfolio and testimonials. So, and these are also integrated in your toolbar, Jetpack. Here you have portfolio, all projects, add a new project, testimonial, all testimonials and new testimonials. And you also get this here at manage content, just a short quick jump link to the overview table, to the post type list table. So that's it about Jetpack. In my opinion, this really optimizes and speeds up your workflow. And I may also add a few more tweaks in upcoming versions of Toolbar Extras, but like we have this stats overview here, and I will make a setting to disable it, and also for this one here, so that it does not appear. I'm just thinking about it, but for now, this is a whole game changer for Jetpack users. You have this whole stuff here, especially the all modules list. I just go to it because I like it so much. So that's it. If you like and need Jetpack and have to work with it, this is it. Install Toolbar Extras and speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and give a comment if you like it. Thanks again. See you next time.